Are you looking for a face moisturizer with long lasting hydration that stays soft for all day? What if I told you you could make an all natural organic moisturizer at home with ingredients you probably already have? This recipe is not so time consuming. In just a few steps, you can create a luxurious cream which suits to all skin types, especially the sensitive ones. Ready to discover the recipe to long lasting moisture? Let's get started. Jojoba oil is a powerhouse ingredient because this oil is structurally similar to the sebum produced by our skin, making it an excellent natural moisturizer that balances oil production without clogging of pores. Jojoba penetrates deeply into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and preventing moisture loss, which is essential for maintaining soft and supple skin. Rose water is a fantastic addition to a DIY moisturizer cream. It helps to balance the skin's natural pH levels, which is crucial for healthy skin function and barrier protection. Now hold on for the next ingredient. I must tell you, with the regular use of lavender essential oil can help to even out skin tone by reducing discoloration and hyperpigmentation, leaving the skin looking more radiant and balanced. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing properties, this gel can calm irritated and inflamed skin, making it ideal for conditions like sunburn. And addition to this, it's lightweight and non-greasy. Beeswax has antibacterial properties that help to protect the skin from infections. And shea butter deeply hydrates the skin, helping to restore elasticity and maintain moisture levels. Now, let's delve into the process of creating the moisturizer. Start with taking 18 grams of beeswax. With the help of double boiling method, start melting it. After it has melted completely, add 50 grams of shea butter. Melt this butter with the same method. When this butter has also melted, then please allow the mixture to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. After this, add the 1/4 cup of jojoba oil to the melted mixture when it is still warm. Add half cup of aloe vera gel into the mixture, followed by 1/3 cup of rose water. Let's infuse our moisturizer with a delightful scent of lavender essential oil. 15 drops of lavender essential oil should be sufficient. Time to blend all the ingredients together to achieve a smooth and well combined mixture. Friends, I'm using hand blender, but you can also use mixer grinder. But just remember to blend it on high speed. I was making this, friends, I thought the consistency was not up to the mark. So I decided to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture, and then I have blended it again. I am so thrilled with how beautifully this turned out. Just look at that creamy goodness. You can use this piping bag to pour the cream into the containers, or you can directly pour. Smooth, silky, velvety, and hydrating cream is ready now. Making your own DIY organic moisturizer isn't just about creating something natural and nourishing for your skin. It's also a fun and creative way to care for yourself. You get to control exactly what goes into your skincare, ensuring it's free from harsh chemicals and full of goodness. You can use this moisturizer daily. This DIY moisturizer contains no harsh chemicals, making it safe for all skin types, including highly sensitive skin. However, it's always recommended to do a patch test before full application. The shelf life approx 7 to 8 months. But I would recommend you to store it in a fridge and away from the direct sunlight. My dear friends, I encourage you to give this a try. It's a rewarding process, and your skin will thank you for the extra love and care. Plus, there's something so fulfilling about using a product you made with your own hands. So go ahead and treat yourself to this delightful DIY project because you deserve it. Now, I just want to say thank you to all of you for joining me, for giving your precious time on my videos, watching it, interacting with me, and lots more. Frankly, friends, it makes me so happy. That's all for today, friend. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant. This is about transforming your skin's health while you sleep. You know that ending the day with a little self-care can completely change your outlook. Hi there. Today in this video, I'm going to share about a recipe of this DIY night cream. Why to put so much of harsh chemicals on our skin when we have got an alternative? But before going any further, I would like to show you its texture first. See? It has got a very creamy texture. I must tell you, friends, from last 3 days, I'm using this night cream. And it has made my skin very shiny. Now you need to see this. This cream has a very soft touch. Friends, this cream is an oil based, but that doesn't mean that it will not suit to oily skin type. This night cream has an oily texture, but don't worry. The other ingredients present in this balances the oil. So you don't have to fret much. This DIY night cream is very easy to make. With just 5 to 6 simple ingredients, we are going to make this night cream. And trust me, it hardly takes 20 to 25 minutes to make this. Just apply this on your skin and allow it to work the whole night for you. Just 3 days. Give it a try. As I always say, don't just believe on my words. Go make this and give it a try. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe it. And if you have already become my family, then I hope you will stay connected with me for long. See friends, subscription might not mean that much to you, but to a YouTuber, especially new YouTubers like me, it really helps us a lot. We really need your support and love to grow. And thank you so much for joining me and giving your precious time on this video. I thank each one of you from the core of my heart. Now, without wasting any further time, let's start. Raw milk offers several benefits for your skin. The lactic acid present in raw milk acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. If you have sensitive or irritated skin, using a night cream containing raw milk can help to alleviate discomfort and promote healing. Overall, raw milk can be a beneficial ingredient in a night cream, helping to moisturize, exfoliate, soothe, and brighten the skin while you sleep. Next ingredient is saffron. It stimulates cell regeneration while you sleep, and this makes saffron a key ingredient in our night cream. I am picking up a few strands of it and dropping it into the raw milk. Now stir a little so that these strands are fully drenched in the raw milk. Friends, when saffron is soaked in the raw milk, it improves skin tone, enhances radiance, acts as a natural moisturizer, provide relief from conditions like redness, provide protection against premature aging, and whatnot. Make sure saffron is fully soaked and start to color the raw milk. Wow, just see the beautiful color of this. This was the first step of making our night cream. Now let's jump on the second one by collecting glycerin. Glycerin is a versatile ingredient that can enhance the effectiveness of a night cream by providing deep hydration and reducing signs of aging. Almond oil is a wonderful addition to a night cream. It is rich in vitamin E content and it stimulates collagen production in the skin, which helps to improve elasticity and firmness. Aloe vera gel provides intense hydration and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky residue. This makes it ideal for use in a night cream, as it provides moisture without clogging pores. With these nourishing ingredients on hand, our nighttime skincare potion is ready to come to life. Let's start with the preparation part now. Take half teaspoon glycerin followed by half teaspoon almond oil. Then add half teaspoon raw milk with soaked saffron. Stir a little. Now add 2 tablespoons full aloe vera gel. Now give it a very good mix and remember to be patient and continue mixing. After mixing it a little, at this step add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and start mixing again. Mixing is a key step, so mix and keep on mixing. When your blend looks somewhat like this, then at this stage add 1 tablespoonful of aloe vera gel. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Until you get this texture. Take an airtight container to store it. You can also refrigerate it for longer shelf life. Our night cream is ready now. For best results, apply the cream to your face every night. I'd recommend applying it at least 2 hours before bedtime to prevent any potential staining on your pillow or bed sheets. You will start noticing visible changes in your skin within just 3 days. However, for maximum results, make it a nighty ritual to nourish your skin from the inside out. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourself and stay radiant.